Ready for the most unpleasant noise you ever heard in 5 months? That's what you call rod knock, boy.
Rod knock right there.
That sounds cool.
Woo! Woo!
Sounds like it's trying to change.
Woo!
So yeah, sound like something knocking.